just got this in the mail. If you're on TikTok, I'm pretty sure you heard about the Unbrush. I have the Unbrush, and I've been having it for a while, and I love it, especially for Tori's hair. But I just ordered the Unbrush Plus from Amazon, and I'm about to try it out. But yeah, I can't do without the regular Unbrush, so hopefully this one is even better. Happy 4th. Look, Tori, say happy 4th. Over here. Say happy 4th.
Happy 4th, guys. We're wearing some outfits.
Hey y'all, happy 4th. We are getting ready to go to my mom's house for a family fun day. I just put on my Freedom Forever shirt. I've been having this for I think about 2 years. Some navy slacks, and I'm finally getting a chance to carry my denim hobo bag. Check in later. We're gonna be doing some barbecuing and playing some games and just enjoying the day off. All right.
Are you right now? Are you vlogging or pictures?
Yes, I'm vlogging right now.
You're vlogging.
Say happy 4th. Happy 4th.
Happy 4th.
Say happy 4th.
Happy 4th.
July. Why'd you lie to me?
It's foggy.
Oh my god.
Consent to being on that.
He sent you.
Okay.
Consent.
Oh my god.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ralph was just barking at me.
He just rolled over. He got one leg.
He started barking at me. I don't know what. I mean, Justice. Shot, little one.
Stop picking the flowers.
America.
TikTok.
Oh, okay, I knew that.
Hi.
Hi.
Happy 4th of July.
How are we feeling?
Good.
Good.
I'm here with my family.
Here we have a wild Danielle
How do you
in her
do?
natural habitat.
How are we feeling? I love that you just gave me a peace sign when I asked you how you're feeling. That makes so much sense.
So is this like the one I priced the other Mariana?
No, that one was like, I don't know what you looked at. Well, it's probably the same price though.
But I think it was hella smaller than that.
Oh, was it a fun?
You don't like staying around. You said my house is boring. I like it.
Hey.
Derek Roman Campbell.
They get the little kitty ones that they get to throw on the ground.
Ah, that's baby food.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, all right. Whoa. Hey, Joker, spin. Oh, that was good. Oh, that was nice. Ready?
But if you're popping.
No, we up here popping fireworks.
You shoot it?
Wash your foot.
What in the world?
Come here, Dre.
Okay.
You want me to light it?
Get back here. Because what is that?
Record it. Make a good video.
Hold on.
Wait, I
hold on.
want to get a picture
I'm
of
gonna
it.
try. All right.
Wait.
Goes on forever. Wow.
I gotta put the blackest hat on here. Hold on.
I'll light it.
You ready?
Somebody, please be careful.
I don't know what that one is. They gave us that one for free.
It looked like it's sideways. Oh. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I didn't take y'all to church with me today, but anyway, I went to church. Church was good. Now I am in the parking lot of Sam's and I have to go in and get some stuff. And y'all know I do not like the grocery store. I do not. I despise going into the store to shop. However, I have to do it because I can't make a curbside order early enough for the things I need. Well, the things the Vacation Bible School committee needs. So Vacation Bible School starts tomorrow at the church. So I'm here to pick up some things food-wise and supplies-wise that are needed for the week. So I'm about to head in here and pick up the things and probably pick up few things for the house too. But anyway, happy Sunday. I hope y'all had a good Sunday, and I'll check in later. All right. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. I have not been picking up the camera this week, but I wanted to show you where I am. I'm in the parking lot of the gym. About to go in and I'm going to do leg day today. So I'll probably just do the leg press and the what is it called? Leg extension. And because I did some leg exercises last night at home, because I wanted to go to the gym yesterday, but I couldn't go. So I did leg. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. I am running into Randall's to get a couple things. My best friend is having a gathering at her house for 4 of us besties, and we're just gonna have like girl time, eat and watch movies and chit chat. And we're starting at noon, so it's gonna be like brunch. It's kind of snack food. So I'm getting some I'm supposed to bring meatballs and chips and dip, and I gotta bring some creamer for the coffee. So that's really all I'm in here for. And yeah, that's what we're doing Saturday. It's on this beautiful Saturday. So I'll bring you guys along with me.